Hello, I just wanted to do, sorry I take my glasses off again because of the whole screen thing. You can see my computer screen and my glasses. Yeah, take them off. Just wanted to do a quick video because someone just asked something, what is the difference between lasIK and lasEK? So lasIK and EK, what's the difference between the two? As far as I understand it, from what I've read and been told, the only difference between the two is the way they move the top layer off your eye so they can get to the inner cornea. Now the inner cornea apparently is called the stroma. It's like a little bit of flesh, and it's that which is the shape of your eye, and it's that causes, if it gets out of shape or it's not convexed anymore, that's what makes your vision go funny. So what they do, the difference between how they actually reshape the stroma of the cornea is exactly the same. It's how they remove the outer skin from your eye. lasIK, IK, cut a small semicircle with a laser, or some companies use a blade, but ultra laser only use a laser. Cut a small semicircle like that, and then they pull this flap of skin off your eye. Like, not actually pull it off, but they kind of fold it over on itself, and then they laser your eye. lasEK, they put some drops of alcohol-based solution on your eye, and they kind of move it to one side, or they fold it over on itself, and then they put it back so it heals. It's just that, and then they do the same thing with the lasering of the stroma / cornea, whatever you call it. That is the only difference between the two. lasIK, you can usually see perfectly fine the next day. You can probably drive within 2 days, go back to work. lasEK has a longer healing time. It can be, ultra laser advised maybe 5 to 7 days, but I've heard of people being fine after 3. Depends on the person. There's more discomfort with lasEK, but apparently it's safer for people who are in contact sports such as rugby. Apparently if you have lasIK, afterwards you can still see a very faint, not like you can see it, but other people can. If they look at your eye, they can see a very faint semicircle still underneath your eye. That's what Nina at Ultra Laser told me. So I imagine maybe that's it. Maybe that can split again if you play rugby or you get punched or something, I don't know. But either way, I'm glad I'm having lasEK, because when I've looked on the internet, especially on YouTube, there is quite a few videos, very old ones from like 2006, 2004, saying don't get lasEK, this is the problem with lasIK, don't get lasIK, there's a problem with lasIK, etc. I can't find any for lasEK. There's no lasEK problems. So I think it just puts my mind more at ease. I'm getting lasEK. But yeah, that's the only difference between the two. So next video soon, as and when.